to Inspired Kids TV, where fun and learning life. Come see, laugh, play, and sing along. Inspired Kids TV, where you belong.
Hey there, kids. Welcome to our fun and exciting world of vegetables. Today, we're going to learn about some super cool veggies that are not only delicious, but also super healthy for you. Can you guess which ones? Let's find out together. First up, we have the sweet and crunchy corn. Then, there's the juicy and versatile tomato. Next, we have the bright and crunchy carrot. Don't forget the unique and tasty eggplant. And last but not least, the vibrant and spicy red pepper. Are you ready to dive into the magical world of vegetables? Let's go. Let's start with corn. Corn is a tall green plant that grows golden yellow kernels. These kernels are what we eat, and they can be sweet and crunchy. Did you know that corn is also known as maize? Corn is a great source of fiber, which helps keep our tummies happy. It's also packed with vitamins like B and C, which give us lots of energy and keep us healthy. You can enjoy corn in so many ways. Have you ever tried corn on the cob at a barbecue? Or maybe you've had popcorn while watching your favorite movie. Corn flakes are another delicious breakfast treat made from corn. Corn can also be mixed into salads, soups, and even made into yummy tortillas. It's such a versatile vegetable. Next up, we have the tomato. Tomatoes are bright red and juicy, and they grow on vines. Did you know that tomatoes are actually fruits, even though we often think of them as vegetables? They are full of vitamins like A and C, which help keep our eyes and skin healthy. Tomatoes are super versatile. You can eat them raw in salads or cooked in sauces and soups. Have you ever had spaghetti with tomato sauce? That's made from tomatoes. Tomatoes are also great in sandwiches and burgers, adding a juicy and tangy flavor. Some people even like to drink tomato juice. So many delicious ways to enjoy tomatoes. Now let's talk about the carrot. Carrots are long, orange, and crunchy. They grow underground, and their green tops pop out above the soil. Carrots are super healthy because they are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A. This vitamin is great for our eyesight, helping us see better, especially in the dark. Carrots can be eaten raw as a crunchy snack, or cooked in all sorts of dishes. Have you ever dipped carrot sticks in hummus? Yum! Carrots are also delicious in salads, soups, and stews. You can even bake them into sweet carrot cake. What a tasty and healthy vegetable. Next, we have the unique eggplant. Eggplants are shiny and purple, and they grow on bushy plants. They are also known as aubergines. Eggplants have a spongy texture and a mild flavor that soaks up the taste of whatever they are cooked with. They are rich in fiber and vitamins like B1 and B6, which help keep our brains and hearts healthy. Eggplants are amazing in all kinds of dishes. You can slice them and grill them, roast them, or even bake them into a delicious eggplant parmesan. They are also great in stews and curries, adding a rich and hearty flavor. Have you ever tried eggplant dip called baba ganoush? It's a tasty treat made from roasted eggplants. And finally, let's talk about the red pepper. Red peppers are bright and colorful, and they grow on small plants. They start out green and turn red as they ripen. Red peppers are sweet and crunchy, and they are packed with vitamins A and C, which help keep our immune system strong and our skin glowing. Red peppers can be enjoyed in so many ways. You can eat them raw in salads or stuff them with delicious fillings and bake them. They are also fantastic in stir-fries, adding a sweet and crunchy texture. Have you ever tried roasted red pepper soup? It's smooth, creamy, and full of flavor. Wow, wasn't that fun learning about all these amazing vegetables? Corn, tomato, carrot, eggplant, and red pepper each have their own unique flavors and health benefits. Remember, eating a variety of vegetables helps keep us strong and healthy. So next time you're at the dinner table, try to spot these veggies and enjoy their delicious goodness. Thanks for joining us, kids. See you next time on our veggie adventure.